Hello YouTubers, here is my Lego 4 gearbox for Lego bricks. Here is the special turner. Here is the with power functions, battery box, switch, and the special engine motor. So on the machine here, and there's a light. So on this turns it here. So first gear, and 2 seconds pull this switch out, just like that. And now is the second gear. See? So a third gear push this and this. Okay? The third gear and to fourth gear you can pull this out. See? And you can off. And I will show you how it works. So open two pieces and take it off the top. All the Lego Technic pieces or gears. Okay. Now, the fourth gear. So put one. Just like that. The second. The third. All pieces. Just like that. You can push two gears, okay?